Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I was invited to participate in a collab with Tammy at Tammy Powley's Peace Craft Dolls and Karen at Starch and Stitches. And the idea is to dress an Enid doll in a dress that she's trying to outdo Wednesday. I don't have well, I do. I have a ton of Wednesday Addams doll. But this is Gothia and her friend Opal. And I named her Opal because of Ophelia in the 1965-66 Addams family was Morticia Addams' sister. And she was a blonde and wore white and had daisies. So I named her Opal. So that's my kind of Enid. So that's who I'm using today. And I wanted to show you her little dress that's made kind of like Wednesday Addams, only in brighter clothes. So I'm once again making this pattern for a Blythe doll. I really like this pattern. It's quick, it's easy, it's fun, and it's cute. For Gothia, I left it long. I left that whole dress extra long. Of course, in the pattern, it is too. That comes just below her feet. And the reason I did that is I wanted that flow on it, and I wanted that Morticia Addams hangs all the way down. I did a collab with this dress, and I made the little handbag. Oh, I like it. But I wanted it to hang down like Morticia Addams. But for Opal, the doll I'm sewing for today, I'm doing it a little different. But right now, I'm going to cut it shorter. But for right now, I'm going to cut it out per the pattern. And then after I get it sewn together, I'm going to cut probably about 3/4 of an inch off so that it isn't laying as long as my Gothias. As you can see, I'm a real stickler for not wasting fabric. I've got my fabric folded up. I'll cut this piece. This goes on the fold. I'm going to cut a piece out here. As you can see, I can just cut the outside of that and fold it over and use it. And then I will do this gets cut on the fold, so I'll have to fold the fabric different. Sometimes if you fold your fabric around, you can save it, and in today's world with the prices, it's not as available as it was. You can't get the cool fabrics like you used to. So let's see where I land with this dress, and I'll show you cutting the bottom off of this also. Okay, all my pieces are cut out and zigzagged around every bit of it, even though I'm going to cut the bottom off. What I wanted to show you is when you add your front piece to your side pieces, you have to bend that fabric. When you do that, you can get pleats in it. You don't want that. You don't want that at all. So as you're sewing, sew from this side. As you go, use your hand underneath and pull this piece back carefully, gently, and slowly. So when you go over the boob area, just go slow and make sure you don't get those pleats underneath. Okay, I've got my 5 pieces sewn together, and I'm going to do a couple things, and I wanted to stop and show you. For the Barbie pattern, there is a piece that you sew onto here, flip over, and tuck under. For Blythe dolls, I do not use that. What I do is I have my zigzag across the top, and I fold this over. Let me open that seam and show you. I fold this over just a little bit and sew that down. And if you work with the fabric, you can stay right on that seam, and this will fold around for you. And I do that because you don't want the extra size at the top for Barbie, and it just,
for Blythe?
I don't know. The same size you would use for Barbie. This gives you another 1/4 inch. And for Blythe, it takes out a 1/4 inch. Now what I'm going to do at the bottom, like I said, for my Gothia and Wednesday Addams dolls, I leave this, but I'm going to cut about 3/4 of an inch off this all the way around in the way these pieces are laid. And then I'm going to sew this to the bottom after I do the top. I cut my bottom off, but what I'm going to do to double check it is fold it in half and make sure each side is equal. And then cut from there. And then what I will do, see it's a little longer on that side right there. A little bit longer, we're going to fix that, and then I'm going to zigzag across that seam where I cut it. So little Opal got snotty, and she said to Gothia, "Oh, you have 8 skulls on your dress? I have more than a dozen roses cascading in mine." They're hard to stand with these dresses because it keeps the legs tight and they're kind of up underneath. "Oh, you have a purse with a skull? One skull? My purse has 2 roses." "Oh, you wear 2 braids? I have 3. So she was trying to outdo our little Gothia. What do you think? Did she outdo her or did she just compliment her? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. And ladies, thank you for inviting me to be part of your collab. Be sure you go by Karen and Tammy's channels today. Have a look at their videos also. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to all 3 channels.
It turned out really cute.
Thank you.